Welcome to this video on Wi-Fi performance. We'll explore the hidden mechanics of peak hour internet performance and how you can reclaim your speed when it slows down at night. Ever wonder why your internet connection feels like it's crawling exactly when you want to relax? The mystery of the midnight lag isn't a ghost. It's your internet infrastructure. Cable internet is a shared medium connected to a local node. When your whole neighborhood starts streaming and downloading at 8 p.m., the local bandwidth pipe hits capacity, creating congestion. Bandwidth throttling is another factor. ISPs use intelligent traffic management to prevent network crashes. They may deprioritize heavy data streams, like 4K video, during peak hours. You might also experience an invisible traffic jam. This is caused by signal overlap from too many routers, scheduled system updates running at night, and high-intensity gaming that saturates upload channels. Your hardware might be under pressure. Older routers struggle to manage numerous smart devices. Overheating can lead to thermal throttling and slower packet processing, resulting in stuttering video. Network usage consistently spikes. Traffic volume can increase by up to 500% between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m., significantly impacting everyone's speed. The evening congestion trend shows that signal noise levels rise as surrounding networks activate, further degrading the quality of your connection. For immediate fixes, switch to the 5 GHz band to avoid interference. You can also relocate your router, change your Wi-Fi channel, and update your DNS settings to speed up site loading. For long-term solutions, consider a mesh network to eliminate dead zones. Use wired connections for critical devices like gaming consoles, and limit background data usage on non-essential devices. Remember the danger zone. Between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m., the average residential connection sees a 30 to 40% drop in speed due to neighborhood traffic alone. Knowing this window is key to managing your usage.